Excuse me, can you help me? I just moved here from Indonesia, and I'm not familiar with this area. I'm looking for a comfortable, clean, and spacious house. Price is not a problem for me. Do you have any information about houses for rent or sale around here? Wow, what a coincidence! How much is the rent? Can you show me some photos of the house first? Oh, the house is quite big, and the facilities are very complete. That's great. So, how does the payment system work? That's very cheap. Yes, I'd love to rent it. Okay. Sure. I finished filling out the form. Thank you. I'll take the keys. Sure. May I have your contact number? Great, I've saved it. Thank you so much for your help. Got it. See you later.